Well, today's the day. I'm going to clean up the Cub Cadet a little bit. It's kind of been sitting around for about 4 years doing a lot of nothing. So I got it running the other day, put a new battery in it. If you haven't watched that video, please do so. Find it helpful for you, that'd be fantastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this a clean up. Get some of the grime off it, some of the dirt. I'm going to take you along with me while I do it. I'm going to give it a spray. Get some clean on it. And keep rotating the paper towels in and out as we go. Not too bad. This is going to look cleaner when I go to use it. Oops. I'm going to keep rotating my paper towels. I'm using this orange citrus-based cleaner. Kind of funny how the muffler's kind of warped the deck over here from the heat. I wouldn't have expected that, but not surprised, I guess. I didn't really kind of expect to see that. Get a little closer here. A little closer to the action, as they say. I think you can see what I was talking about the plastic cover looking all messed up from the heat. This isn't going to be a detail, showroom detail, but it's certainly going to look a lot better. I'll clean the deck the next time I have it up on my wall so I can stand up and work on it. And the wheels too. This will make it a lot easier. And I'll actually get under the deck and clean it out. Okay, let's continue. Ugh, boy. Looking a little bit better. But you'll never see this dirt from the Pawtucket Avenue bar. My father would always say that. Guess he spent a lot of time at the Pawtucket Avenue bar to know that. And he did. This citrus cleaner really eats through the grease. Really good. Let's put a little on the wheel. I don't know what it's going to do to the wheel, but we'll put some on there anyway. This happens to be the starter for the engine right here. You can tell this is where the oil gets changed because of the drippings on the frame and stuff like that. Yep. It's exactly how you can tell. No better way to use a roll of paper towels in a hurry. I'm retired. I retired about, actually 2 months ago yesterday. And honestly, best thing I ever did. Got the hell out of where I was working. Such a poisonous and toxic environment, man. I worked with some people there for a long time, and to find out after all that time, after I left, I did a quality job for whatever I did. And then they backstab you after you're gone. Tell lies. I find that kind of bad and discouraging, but I guess sometimes people will be who they are. Behind the scenes, behind your back. Yeah. I'm going to have to get in here better. So I'm going to have to get some tools for this. Whoa, look at this. Are you kidding? Look at the tire. Oh, you can't see it. Look at the difference. Give it a wipe. Look at that. But a little of this stuff goes a long way. A couple of wipes with this stuff and it's going to look like the tire just came out of the factory floor. I don't know about that, but maybe. All right. Look at that. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Boy, that looks brand new. Look at that. That's beauty. That's a beauty. Now, I'm going to have to go do the other tire now. Because let's see how this one comes out. Let's give it a little spray. A little spray and a soak. A little spray and a soak. This is where I was working the other day, taking the battery out. Put a brand new battery in here. And I broke a bolt for the battery hold down, so I have to wait to use this now until that comes in. Oh yeah, look at that. And that's about it. That's looking pretty good. And I'm going to wrap this video up here and say thanks for watching and stopping by. And this is my new channel, Papa Mows Stuff. I have another channel called Papa Knows Stuff and another channel called History Recolored. Give them a visit. I appreciate your time. We all know we don't have enough of it. So I want to say thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.